This is the Hisense story. In 1969, Hisense was born in the Chinese coastal city of Qingdao. Starting with only a radio product, Hisense focused on the four key elements: technology, quality, integrity, and responsibility, and grew into a leading brand. In 1970, Qingdao No. 2 Radio Factory assembled the first 14-inch black and white TV. In 1993, Qingdao Hisense Group was founded, and the name Hisense was first used. In 1997, Hisense Electric was listed on the Shanghai Stock Exchange. In the 21st century, optimization and industrial expansion are keys for Hisense's growth. In 2006, Hisense acquired two well-known brands in China, Kulon and Ronsun. In 2008, Hisense and Whirlpool established a joint venture for the development of innovative appliance. In 2015, Hisense purchased all equity and assets of Sharp's TV factory in Mexico, with rights to use the Sharp brand name and all its channel resources in both North and South American regions. Hisense primarily focused on making flat panel TVs, inverter refrigerators, and air conditioners. Now, Hisense TV is number 1 in China for 12 consecutive years since 2004, while refrigerators and air conditioners are number 2 and number 4 respectively. In the emerging field, Hisense seized opportunities in optical communications and smart transportation solutions. So far, Hisense optical access and bus scheduling products are number 1 in China. Today, Hisense's subsidiaries include consumer electronics, home appliances, telecommunications, information technologies, technological services, and real estate. It has built 17 companies, 4 production bases, and 7 R&D centers in the overseas market, covering more than 130 countries and regions around the world. Hisense becomes world's number 3 TV brand. Hisense has always pursued the cutting-edge technologies since it was first founded. Hisense has built 13 R&D centers globally, including China, USA, Canada, and Europe, to create the world's latest technologies. Absorbing overseas high-end talents and purchasing top technology companies allow Hisense to strengthen key technologies and create leading-edge products constantly. In 1997, Hisense took the lead in China in releasing inverter air conditioning products, which are now applied to its refrigerators. In 2005, Hisense launched HiView, the first self-owned intellectual property digital audio-video processing chip in China. In 2007, Hisense took the lead in researching and manufacturing LCD modules and built China's first LCD module production line. In 2013, Hisense announced the world's fastest and simplest smart TV, Vida TV. In 2014, Hisense announced the world's first laser cinema TV. In 2015, Hisense released the latest ULED TV with the most advanced display technology in New York. Hisense also launched HiView Pro, the first independently developed high-end image processing chip in China. Hisense owns the world's third largest smart transportation solution system, the world-leading optical transceiver, and the innovative water source inverter-driven multi-split air conditioning technology. Hisense was also the first enterprise in China to develop the one-time two-color injection molding process. Hisense continues to stand behind its products' quality by maintaining a strong commitment to innovation and smart manufacturing, which has gained the trust and favorable reception of global consumers. Hisense invests $50 million in smart manufacturing every year and is China's first batch enterprises of Smart Factory. Hisense is the only enterprise in China to win the China Quality Award twice. In 2011, Hisense was the first Chinese enterprise to win the Asian Recognition for Excellence in Quality Practice in China Award. In 2015, Hisense won the Best Global Image Award at the 3rd Summit of Chinese Enterprises Overseas Image. Hisense ranked number 7 among the most familiar Chinese brands evaluated by overseas consumers. In USA, Hisense products are available in largest retail stores such as Walmart and Best Buy. It has promoted its brand awareness through CES and won worldwide media attention from CNBC and other media outlets. In 2015, Hisense also became the title sponsor of Hisense 250 Atlanta, Hisense 300 Charlotte, Hisense 200 Dover, NASCAR Xfinity Series. In Europe, Hisense products have been sold in Germany, Spain, Italy, UK, France, and many other countries. The Hisense brand has increased its recognition locally throughout Europe. Hisense also became an official premium partner of Champions League participant and top Bundesliga football club, FC Schalke 04. In South Africa, Hisense has already been a household name. In 2013, Hisense's new industry park was officially opened and has laid a solid foundation for Hisense to promote high-end products and brands locally. In 2015, Hisense received recommendations from President Xi Jinping on South African publication Star. Released as Hisense television sets and refrigerators are a household name in South Africa. In Australia, Hisense TV and refrigeration has been ranked the forefront, and Hisense Arena plays an important role in expanding Hisense brand awareness. In 2014, Hisense became an official sponsor of the Australian Open and Australian Open Series tournaments and continued the naming rights to Hisense Arena. In 2015, Hisense became the team supplier to Infinity Red Bull Racing. Hisense has always deeply cared about social responsibility. Hisense has won the honor of being China's most respected company 5 times and China's Best Public Image Award 6 times. In 2014, Hisense signed an agreement with UNESCO to renew and donate equipment. Hisense and UNEP have signed global partnership for the SEED Award, supporting innovative entrepreneurs for 4 years. Hisense, together with FC Schalke 04, committed to the Kumpelkiste campaign. Today, Hisense is well known by more and more consumers globally, and it will not change its vision of being an enduring enterprise and a global brand. Hisense.